everyone, I watched this movie last week and I really like it, so I've said why not to make some DIYs based on To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Because this movie is based on the book, I want the first DIY to be 2 bookmarks, so I've measured how much paper do I need by using another bookmark, and I will write 2 kilos from the book, but first I want to create some details, so I'm drawing some roses and more flowers. And that's the result of these 2 beautiful bookmarks. Also, I wanted something funny, so I've made this photo frame where I wrote "Be my Romeo" or maybe Peter Kavinsky because it's much better. The third DIY is so cute. First, I'm creating 5 envelopes because Lara Jane wrote 5 letters. If you want to make this DIY easier, you can buy some envelopes, but I think that you will miss the fun of this DIY. So as I've said, I made 5 envelopes, but now I want to show you how you can easily make this because I think it's easier to make a DIY than to buy one because you can choose how you want your envelope to be. You can also add some details. So here are my 5 envelopes, and now it's time to assemble it by gluing the paper. After that, I'm writing the boys' names, and I'm also adding some smaller color papers, and I will write "To all the boys I loved before." Because I didn't have double scotch, I just made a DIY by using a scotch and make it double. Last but not least, I'm using a white cardboard, and now I'm going to stick everything on this cardboard. Also, if you want, you can obviously add paper or letter inside every envelope to make this prettier. And if you didn't watch this movie, you can switch with another TV series or movie that you absolutely love, or you can use this as a gift idea because it will look so cute and unique. And for a fancy result, I'm adding the back of a frame, and I'm using again my DIY double scotch. And voila, that's all I have made to create this beautiful DIY, which is unique.
If I was one of the good ones, I don't think you'd like me. I'm one of the bad ones, and that's why you feel lucky. If I was one of the good ones.
If you remember, Peter used to send notes to Lara Jane, but she didn't read them, and this DIY is inspired from that scene. In a clear jar, I'm adding some paper, some blank white paper, and these lights that I've also added inside the jar. And for a prettier jar, I've added this heart sticker, and that's all I did to create this beautiful DIY. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!